Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods. In this video, we are discussing a living room sofa set. We will be discussing about the sizes, the design part, fabric part, how much space do we need to keep a sofa, how the sofa is placed, in fact, about the carving part, thickness of the wood, teak wood, the colors, and everything possible that you need to understand when you are ordering a sofa set for your home. Generally, there are a few things that we completely ignore when we are looking for some furniture. But these points are really important and they can, in fact, change the entire aura, entire look, in fact, the entire usage of the set of the furniture you are buying. Furniture is a jewelry of your home. Just like jewelry, you may like light jewelry, you may like heavy jewelry, or it may be the occasion part. Similarly, for our living room, our sofa set, our furniture, the furniture of our living room, because the living room is a place where guests come, visitors come, it in fact portrays us, how we are trying to portray ourselves. And this is why the design, the color, the impact of this is completely as per our personality. And this is why I always say the sofa set, in fact, the living room sofa set must be exactly as per your choice in terms of colors, in terms of the fabric, the seating setup, even the parts of the seat. I'll explain all these things in detail as we progress in the video. But let's see what we have here. You're looking at a teak wood sofa set. Teak wood. In Hindi, it's called sagwan. Teak wood is considered one of the best wood across the globe for furniture because it's durable, termite free, and the carving comes naturally in this wood. Very beautiful carving, very fine carving can be done because the wood is durable, it's hard, it's not very hard, not soft. In soft wood, if you do the carving, it will all peel off when you are doing the carving thing. It starts peeling off. But when the wood is very hard, the hand carving goes very difficult because it involves a lot of effort to get that done. And that is why teak wood is considered very good in this. And this is teak wood. Thickness of wood in this set is 2 inches. The base wood that we have used is 2 inches, and then with the pressing is going 3.5 feet, 4 inches. Just like in the crown part, it's quite thick. So these are the pressings on the base wood. It's a heavy set as compared to the other sets, a little extra size also. About the size part, the 3-seater is out and out 7 feet, back height 50 inches, front to back 32.5 feet. This is the size of a 3-seater. Then we have a 2-seater here, 5.5 feet, 50 inches, a little more than 4 feet, and 2.5 feet front to back. I'll come to the sizes also, the detail about these sizes, but let me give the sizes first. Here is the chair. The chair is 42 inches, 3.5 feet wide, back height 50, front to back 30, 2.5 feet. The table we have is 4 feet by 2 feet, plain top, again carved teak wood and antique gold paint. The fabric we have here, the upholstery thing, this is leatherette, and this off-white color of leatherette, a shiny kind of thing that the client selected. We gave him options, several options. The client picked this one, we used it, and then some cushion work as asked by the client. The cushions are always extra, but if the client wants, we can make cushions. Here we have 2 types of cushion, the rectangular one and the square one as well. Now about the sizes part I was discussing, let's look at the leg work. It's a heavy leg, solid wood, very thick leg, and this is complete solid wood. This is not hollow, this is not resin, this is not fiber, solid teak wood. And this place gives us a lot of space to work. In fact, the entire flower, you see the fine carved flower because we are getting space here. In thinner legs, the space is less, so the design is little lesser. Similarly, in the crown part and similarly everywhere, we have got the carving, and this is single side carving. The back is plain because it will go on a wall, and the client wanted a single side carved sofa. Thus, we have made like this. About the sizes part, as I was saying, I'll sit and show it to you. Then you will understand what I'm trying to say here. See, I have a cushion at my back. It's a quite a good fluffy cushion and thick as well. And when I'm putting the cushion at the back, still you can see my knee roll is at the edge of the sofa, right at the edge. And this is the proper sitting. I'm an average height person. I'm not very tall and not very short. And still my knees are quite comfortably sitting right on the edge. Normally in the market, when you see, you find 26 inches, 28 inches depth, and in that cases what happens is when you sit, your knees are mostly outside the sofa. It's not a very comfortable position, like you are sitting quite leaning, and this way when you get up there's a lot of pressure on the back. But when you are sitting a little upright but still in quite comfortable position, so it's not that difficult to get up. Right now you can see I'm sitting, and if I'm getting up, it's a simple thing. But when I'm leaning too much, let's say I'm leaning too much, when I'm leaning too much, getting it, I have to put pressure on my back and then getting. It's a very simple and logical thing. We can try it yourself when you are sitting at your home. So lesser the depth is uncomfortable, and deeper the unit. In that case also, it's not very comfortable because getting up and sitting involves a lot of effort. This has got leatherette and the back is quilted. I'll show you the back. This is the back, and the crisscross pattern that we have is the quilting. When we have plain back, the quilting looks so amazing. But if you have printed fabric or the designer fabric, just like this one, let's say this is at the back. So when you do the quilting, this pattern goes crisscross like this, and the pattern gets cut. So generally we prefer that the back is plain when we are doing the quilting. In the quilting also there are several options, like you can get buttons, you can get diamonds, or without the diamonds, without the buttons, like this. It is as per the choice. Again, everything in our furniture is as per choice, and choice involves everything: the size part, the design part, the fabric part, the color part. If we talk about the color itself, this is antique gold finish, and antique gold is one of the best and one of the most liked colors of ours across the globe. We have delivered in 55 countries, and honestly telling you, none, even one, there is no one client who has said this color is not looking good. It's quite subtle, not very shiny, not giving very opulent look, but still gives the royal feel that we want. And with this combination, the combination you're looking at, this is one of the most liked combination, and we have made a lot of sofas in this particular combination earlier as well. A little beige kind of fabric, a little darker than this, and a lot of sofas, in fact hundreds of sofas of the same design, same pattern, and sent across the globe. Now coming to the seating part, if you see the seating, we have got removable seat here. Removable seat is like this. So the seat is removable and in three parts. You want it in two parts, you want a single cushion, or you want fixed seat. That is again option. What you like, again, as I mentioned, we work on what you like, and accordingly the work is done. Now I'm sitting here. Let me remove the cushions and I'll show you the actual design. Now see the crown at the back, and this is the Maharaja sofa that we always talk about. Maharaja means it has to get the royal look, the crown look, and the shape. And this is the design we always talk about, that what Aarsun does. In Maharaja furniture, royal furniture, premium furniture, Victorian furniture also people call it, but according to me this is Maharaja furniture. About the color part, color means the paint color. You can get for polishing, you can go for darker finish like walnut and dark walnut. Black finish is preferred. We have done it in several units in black color. Then black with gold shading, dual shade, and the triple shade units, champagne gold. And then we are going for white and off white, silver and rose gold. And then we have gold leafing. If you are making a real royal setup kind of thing, just like the palace of the Ukraine president and the Russian president and the Turkish president, all these palaces in the Middle East, they have all the furniture that look there in gold leafing. Maybe they are using real gold, I'm not sure, but gold leafing is what they prefer. Our gold leafing is 0% gold, it's not actual gold, but the look is entirely exactly the same of real gold, and the gold leaf gives you gold furniture look whenever you place it, wherever you place it. And we have done a lot of work. In fact, a lot of sofa sets, dining tables, and Guruji chairs in gold leafing. And if you are looking for that, we can do it for you. Now I was talking about the sitting setup. If you see here, we have a 3-seater, a 2-seater, and a chair, and everything is in a similar design. If you are looking for something different, like breaking the monotony, or you're looking for something where you want to make it an entire amazing and different set, what we can do is we can add a jhula along with this. A jhula is an amazing concept, and wherever and whoever, whichever client I've suggested that concept and they have space and they have gone for that, they have always called me back and told me that this is really an amazing concept, and this is the first time someone has suggested this kind of concept. And if you really have space, try it once. Maybe look at the videos that we have posted earlier, and you will see how the entire thing changes, entire look changes, and it gives an amazing look. You can go for a chaise lounge also. Instead of a two-seater, you can go for a chaise lounge. Chaise lounge is daybed or divan, you may call it. Then we have settees, open back settee, bench kind of settee without the handles also, and that also makes it a little different set than a monotony of 3-2-1, 3-1-1, 3-2, just like this, the similar design pattern. Or if you want to add something different, you can go for higher back chairs. That are also an option, and a lot of people have gone for it. Sometimes what happens is we have some elders in our family and we want to dedicate a chair specially for them, just like that. Mom, this is for you. Two chairs, king and queen chairs with a sofa set, and it looks amazing. Well, that is your choice, your guruji, your senior, your any leader. And just like in the politicians area, they generally prefer for a single chair that is separate for them, a little higher back chair. That is again the choice part. What I'm basically covering here is the choice part, and that is what we focus on. And choice involves everything: size, design, color, pattern, number of seats, tables, side tables. You want to add another thing, anything and everything. You want a single chair, we make that and we deliver to your place. In India and out of India, 55 countries we have already delivered to. Last couple of months we have got orders from 4 more countries now. Added one more country in last week, and 4 more countries are added, and we will be soon delivering there. Soon we will be moving to 60 countries, and we are sending and making the stuff for all those clients. All the designs that I have shown are handcrafted. These are not machine made. Everything is carved on wood by hand. Handicraft wood carving products right here. That involves a lot of people. A lot of work gets generated when you order one unit. People like carpenter, people like the artisans, the upholstery guys, painting guys, packing guys, transport people, the sales people who are involved with you when they are taking the order, then the production people, so many people for one set, one sofa, one dining or one bed, one thing. And that is why our work is labor intense and generates work for so many people. That is another amazing thing in our furniture. Aarsun is an international brand, as I mentioned. We are registered in 35 plus countries, working as per your choice. Choice wala furniture we are making in amazing design, a brand that gives you factory price because we are delivering right to your home. And after this GST reduction, the prices have gone more affordable. The raw material costs are lower, the taxes are a little lower, and definitely we can give you a good set at good prices, affordable prices, delivery right to your home in India or outside India. The number is right here. I'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.